Nanda ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity to speak on this bill. As I understand from the introductory speech of Honorable Minister, that government's objective by changing the name of this institution is to reflect the aspiration of India to be a hub of international commercial arbitration and move away from a city-centric name. Moreover, the amendment tries to encourage other forms of dispute resolution mechanisms apart from arbitrations to also be facilitated by the Centre. The government, through the medium of this bill, seeks to increase the time limit from 2 to 5 years from the commencement of the Act to issue provisions in the official gazette that can facilitate in the implementation of the same without being inconsistent with the principal act. Sir, the NDISA was established to not only facilitate arbitration in India, but also promote research and training in arbitration. The principal act requires the NDISA to maintain a panel of professionals to conduct dispute resolutions as well. While increased use of arbitration in India can help in decreasing the backlog of the judiciary and ensure speedy measures for dispute resolution, it still faces several challenges, sir. So, I would like to say that, for instance, India doesn't have an arbitration bar, which means that a significant number of arbitration cases takes place either on the weekends or post-court hours, which limits the ability of this dispute resolution mechanism to reach its full potential. I would like to draw attention of the Honourable Minister that several questions arise with the amendment proposed by the government, such as, was the government not cognizant of the fact that NDISA was named city-centric in nature in 2019, when in fact it was an institution of national importance? Will changing the name enable the centre to become a domestic and international hub for arbitration? What other steps are the government taking to compete with other international hubs of arbitration, especially in Asia, such as Singapore? With countries like Singapore and France offering lucrative and well-established arbitration centers, it will be a tough challenge for the government to make India an arbitration hub. Furthermore, now IIAC might face challenges domestically too. For instance, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has proposed to the Indian government to open an arbitration center of international status in Gurgaon too. I support this bill and expecting replies from the Honourable Minister. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Shri